Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today I guess we're kicking off sort of the next layer of grapes for the channel, getting into some under the radar grapes. So grapes that are, I don't want to say misunderstood or just not popular or just people just don't know what they are. And we are starting with one of my favorites, Dolcetto. So Dolcetto, if you think about it in Italian, I mean, it literally translates to little sweet one, but that's not typically how the wines, present themselves, right? You're going to, the wines they're going to be loaded with dark fruits, so plums and blackberries. You could get some chocolate and licorice-y notes in there, which are really nice, and sometimes it has a peppery note. If you think about the last video we just did, we had Barbera, which is right along the lines of medium weight, so light, heavy, medium Barbera. Dolcetto is just going to be slightly heavier, or at least that's what I find, slightly heavier in weight. Just like Barbera, it's going to be great with pizza and pasta and all those Italian foods that you love. But Dolcetto is going to work great with eggplant. And if you're making a meatloaf and Dolcetto are like, it's something you'll dream about. In this case, right, we have this is a Dolcetto di Alba. So you're going to see there are three, I guess, key regions, if you will, to keep an eye on. Dolcetto di Alba, you'll see Dolcetto on the label. You'll also see Dogliani. You won't see Dolcetto on the label anymore. Dogliani is going to be a bold Dolcetto. The Alba are going to be, prettier, a little more friendly. And then there's a Dolcetto di Acqui, which are just going to be fun and lighter styles. So, keep that in mind. Dogliani, the Alba, the Acqui, when you're running into Dolcettos. So this is a 2014 Negretti Dolcetto di Alba. I got this off of lastbottlewines.com, one of my favorite sites. There's actually a link below if you want to sign up. They do flash sales. The quality of the wines that you get there is pretty amazing, especially given the deals you get. Oh. So, interesting. This one smells like a grape Jolly Rancher. Kind of like plums and a grape Jolly Rancher. I kind of get a little bit of that licorice note. I guess I mentioned licorice earlier, right? So we got plums, we got blackberries, getting a little licorice. I'm not getting any of that spice that I normally get, like a black pepper or anything like that, but this is going to be really easy to drink. It's not the most, I guess, lively Dolcetto that I've ever had, but it's pretty delicious. And I think when you compare it to other wines, right? If you like Barbera, you'll like Dolcetto. If you like Nebbiolo, I think you'll like Dolcetto. If you like Merlot, right? So the sort of medium to heavy weight, a little softer edge, I think you'll like Dolcettos. So again, get out of that rut, right? Don't always reach for the same thing. Get a Dolcetto on your table, especially if you're eating some Italian food. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.